Okay, so we're going to do a challenge and see if the slimes that we have are a fail slime. So we'll tell you if it's fail or not, and then a good slime. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna see if this one clicks. This one doesn't really click, so. Alright, now we're going to see if it stretches. So. Okay, that's like it stretches and it does it at the same time, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, now we're gonna see if it sticks back together or not. So we're going to squeeze this all together, poke at it, and now we're gonna see if it comes off. Okay, you see this line? We'll just follow it off and see it. So now it kind of does, kind of not like, kind of really did. Okay, but this one's a failed slime.
Okay,
Next
slime.
This is the slime that I'm going to be doing today. It is pretty small, but oh well. So first we
can see that the dye gets stuck to your hand.
Yes.
So that's starting off. That's a fail.
Yes. But we are going to see if it clicks first. So I am going to give that a no. No. Now we are going to see if it stretches. So far, so good. Next one is a maybe.
Trying to make funny comments in it.
Now we are going to say. Now we're going to see if it sticks back together. I have the two pieces, and I am going to stick them together. Find the piece. That's a fail.
So that's a full slime.
So basically, this is going to be a fail slime. A fail slime.
Okay, next one. It's about to be over.
Okay, first I'm going to poke this slime. Okay, that was a fail. Now I'm gonna stretch it. Okay, that's a fail. Now I'm going to see if it'll come back together. Let's see. And that was a fail. So this
That's a very, very fail slime.
fail slime. So guys, all of these are practically failed slimes.
And in the comment below, we will tell you the recipe we made for some of these slimes, and you can even try it by yourselves. Okay.
Bye. See you guys next time. Bye. Please